Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dell 15 has a cracked screen, you're not alone. This issue can happen due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it may lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and potentially causing internal issues. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically for the Dell 15. Let's get started. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Use your precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Be mindful of the different types of screws and their positions. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any nearby components. Inside, you'll locate the damaged screen. It's usually secured with additional screws and perhaps some adhesive. Gently detach the cables connecting the screen to the motherboard. These might be delicate, so handle them with care. Once the old screen is fully disconnected, remove it from the frame. Now, take your replacement screen and align it properly before connecting the cables back to the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new screen, reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and replacing all screws. Make sure everything is snug, but avoid over-tightening them to prevent damage. Once everything is put back together, power on your Dell 15 and check that the new screen is functioning correctly. To avoid this issue in the future, consider using a protective case or screen protector, and always handle your laptop with care to prevent accidental drops or pressure. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.